back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a quick review of this hair. You guys know that this is my Bohemian curl crochet braids that I installed for my birthday that passed October 12th. This hair really lasted about 2 to 3 weeks. I know I did another video about this a while ago, not a long time ago, but a while ago. That one lasted about a month and it was really good. This hair is still the same. It's the same hair. It just lasted a little bit less than the other hair, well, than the other set that I did last time. But overall, this hair wasn't bad. It's natural, it's soft. When you first install it, I will leave all my installation videos, my reviews in the description box, so go check those out. But overall, this hair was not that bad. Yes, you see a little bit of tangling, but it's not that bad. I love the hair. I might try to do a different style of this hair. They have deep wave and then they have some other styles, Brazilian wave, so I might try different styles, but this style I do love a lot. This hair, I guess, I don't know what made it last only 2 to 3 weeks, because my other hair, like I told you, it lasted a month. But yeah, you guys, it's just matted in the back. But I did decide to put a little length in the front, not too long like the hair, but a little bit shorter. I think it's 18 inches and this one is like 20 or something like that, I think. I'm not sure, but I will leave all the information in the description box below. But yeah, overall this hair wasn't that bad. I put some product in there. I will put up the product right here that I used for my hair, but it's not gonna take long. Like, I'm gonna take it out today. I'm not gonna record that. I'm just doing this review for you guys. I'm gonna take it out either today and tomorrow. Take it out, get my natural hair for like a few weeks, because I do miss my natural hair, and then go and install a wig. I am installing my first wig, you guys. I know I did like a wig video a long time ago. I will see if I can find that in my YouTube channel and leave it down below, but I did a video like this, I think. So I'm super excited to try wigs, like to be a new person. I don't know, I just think that wigs is so cute. And yeah, so a very affordable wig I'm gonna get. I'll give you guys the details later on, but for right now this is just exclusive review of this hair. But yeah, I basically just had this hair for my birthday and it lasted as long as I needed it for my birthday, so that's really good. And I think I could have had it for 1 more week, but I just don't want to do that. So that's why I'm telling you guys that it will last at least 2 to 3 weeks. It just depends on how you maintain it. I did not put any product in there the first week. It's only like the second week, like in the end of the second week is when I was starting to put product in there, and then I stopped because I felt like the product wasn't really doing much for me, because it's not human hair, it's synthetic. It's not really human hair. It's soft and natural, but it's not human hair. So yeah, that's what that is. That's my review, very quick. I don't think I have anything else to say. It wasn't that bad. This hair was not that bad. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and before I forget, I have my birthday vlogs, part 1 and part 2 are gonna be up. I know it's kind of late. My birthday was October 12th. It's late. It's already past my birthday, but I decided to give you guys a vlog because I did record a lot of videos, and I'm like, what's the point if I'm not gonna put it on there? So yeah, check those down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.